Do you want to set up Alexa Echo for multiple profiles? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Set up Amazon Echo for multiple profiles. To set up Alexa Echo for multiple profiles on your smartphone, open the Alexa app. Tap on the More tab at the bottom of the screen, then select Settings. Tap on your profile and family. Tap the plus icon at the top and select Add Someone Else. Enter the name and other details for the new profile. Then add the profile. Tap on the Continue button. Then agree and continue. The new user should set up their voice ID. For that, select Voice ID and then agree and continue. Follow the on-screen guide to set up the voice ID. Once done, repeat the process for each additional user. Once set up, Alexa will recognize different voices and provide personalized responses such as playing preferred music, showing personalized calendars, and more. Method 2. Remove profile on Amazon Echo Show. If you want to remove a profile on Amazon Echo Show device, then here is how to do so. Visit Manage Your Profile page. Select the profile you want to remove. Scroll down and select Remove the account name from your Amazon family. You may need to enter your password to proceed. Then a code will be generated to your mail ID or phone number. Enter the code in the respective field and check. And there you have it, the method to set up Amazon Echo for multiple profiles. We hope the method have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.